The Ferrari 250 GT Berlinetta short wheelbase, SWB, is not just a car, it's an emblem of Ferrari's golden age. Produced between 1959 and 1962, this masterpiece epitomized the perfect blend of racing pedigree, cutting-edge engineering, and timeless design. It's a vehicle that remains revered by collectors, enthusiasts, and historians. What makes this car such a standout in Ferrari's illustrious history? A design to last a lifetime. Penned by the renowned Italian design house Pininfarina and built by Carrozzeria Scaglietti, the 250 GT SWB is a true work of art. Its compact proportions, aggressive stance, and flowing lines exude purpose and elegance. The short wheelbase refers to its 2,400mm chassis, which was shorter than its predecessor, the 250 GT LWB, long wheelbase. This reduction in length enhanced its agility, making it equally at home on winding roads and competitive racetracks. Every detail of the car's design serves a purpose. The large prominent grille, flanked by round headlamps, gives it a commanding presence, while the subtly flared wheel arches accommodate wider tires for better grip. Its lightweight aluminum body, in most racing versions, contributes to its nimble handling and formidable speed. The heart of the beast. At the core of the 250 GT Berlinetta SWB is the legendary 3.0-liter Colombo V12 engine. This powerplant, designed by Gioacchino Colombo, is one of the most celebrated engines. Depending on the configuration, the engine produced between 240 and 280 horsepower, figures that were extraordinary for that time. Mated to a 4-speed manual gearbox, the V12 provided a thrilling driving experience. Its linear power delivery, coupled with the SWB's exceptional handling, made it a dominant force on both the street and the track. Ferrari's engineers utilized a tubular steel frame, independent front suspension, and a live rear axle with semi-elliptical leaf springs to ensure balance and precision. The 250 GT SWB was engineered to excel in both road and racing environments, a duality that was rare at the time. Ferrari offered the car in two main versions, the Lusso, luxury model for road use, and the Competizione model for the racetrack. The Competizione variant featured weight-saving measures, such as thinner aluminum panels and minimalistic interiors. These modifications made the car a formidable competitor in events like the Tour de France Automobile and the 24 Hours of Le Mans. The SWB claimed numerous victories in the GT class, solidifying its reputation as one of Ferrari's most successful racing cars. The Ferrari 250 GT SWB earned countless accolades during its production run, including multiple class wins at Le Mans and dominating performances in the FIA GT Championship. It was driven by some of the era's most legendary drivers, including Stirling Moss, who praised the car for its balance and responsiveness. The SWB also played a pivotal role in Ferrari's evolution as a racing powerhouse. It set the stage for the development of the 250 GTO, another icon in Ferrari's lineage. Today, the Ferrari 250 GT Berlinetta SWB is among the most sought-after classic cars in the world. Its rarity, with only around 165 units produced, combined with its rich history and breathtaking design, makes it a prize for collectors. Auction prices for well-preserved or race-winning examples often exceed $10 million. The Ferrari 250 GT Berlinetta SWB remains a testament to Ferrari's dedication to excellence. Its unmatched blend of performance, style, and history ensures its place as one of the greatest cars ever built. Whether you're drawn to its racing legacy or its design, the SWB is a reminder of an era when driving was pure and cars were crafted with passion and precision. If you're fascinated by the stories behind iconic vehicles like the 250 GT SWB, be sure to subscribe and hit the bell icon for more deep dives into automotive legends.
But wait a minute, you didn't smash the bell and press the like button. Blasphemy.
Thank you for your attention and have a nice day.